In this part of the project, you learn how to fold sheet metal in Autodesk Fusion, add features like fillets and rectangular patterns across flanges, and refold your body to maintain those modifications. It's tempting to create a flat pattern when editing across flanges, but instead, use the unfold option from the Modify dropdown. The order of selecting your stationary entity is crucial. If you choose the wrong one, simply hit Ctrl+Z on your PC to undo and make sure to select the base first. Now, let's look at how to create features across all flanges and keep them intact after refolding the design. I'll start with the sketch. Minimize the number of sketches and use solid modeling commands for patterns like holes. I'll extrude the hole through the entire sheet thickness. If you change the sheet metal thickness later, the hole will automatically adjust. Add a smooth fillet to soften the edges, giving the hard metal a more refined look. When working with the rectangular pattern, you'll need to set the correct distance. If you, like me, forgot to position the hole in relation to the end of your model, go back and adjust it. Each flange measures 97.5 mm based on earlier measurements in this project playlist, and including the bend, the total length is around 200 mm. Be sure to select features before you select the hole and the fillet. Our circle is placed 30 mm from the edge, so to match that on the other end, subtract 60 mm from the total length, giving us a rectangular pattern distance of 140 mm. The final distance may be slightly over 200 mm because of our bend, but this is acceptable for this project. Finish the process by applying a fillet to both ends of the flat pattern. Once done, refold the faces and you'll see how your features across the flanges remain intact. In the next and final part of the project, we'll add appearances and create a cloud renderer with rim highlights. Stay tuned.